Myanmar has just experienced one of the deadliest earthquakes in history. Over 1,700 people have lost their lives, and hundreds are still missing. What is happening? Let's find out now. The earthquake struck on March 28th with a magnitude of 77 Richter scale. According to Myanmar's military chief, the death toll has now reached 1,700, with about 3,400 injured and 300 still missing. Rescue teams are working tirelessly to search for missing people in the rubble. The Myanmar government has called for international assistance. Meanwhile, the situation remains critical as aftershocks continue to hit the region. Many countries, including names of countries, have pledged support for Myanmar. Humanitarian organizations such as the United Nations and the Red Cross are urgently sending aid to help those affected. However, rescue efforts are still challenging due to difficult terrain and extreme weather conditions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest news.